Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am doing a natural makeup tutorial. I've done these a lot in the past, but it has changed a lot throughout, so I figured I'd just show you guys what I do now, especially because it's summer. So I feel like a lot of people wear natural makeup in the summer because it's summer. I don't know. So let's just get into the video because I do not want to make this intro very long. First thing I do is I take out my Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. I just rub it all over my face. And then now I'm taking out my Glossier Boy Brow. I love this stuff and I just do my eyebrows. I think I mentioned this in my last video. I don't really do much to my eyebrows. I kind of just like fill them in, I guess. Okay, next what I do is I take out my concealer and I'm using the Il Makiage F I'm Flawless Concealer. I actually did a review on this, I think in my last video, so I will put the link for that down below. But yeah, sometimes I honestly don't even wear concealer just because if I want to be like completely like natural looking. But sometimes I feel like putting concealer on, so yeah. I just put it underneath my eyes, and then if I have any like pimples, I'll like try to cover it up. I like very lightweight stuff. And that's like legit all I do for concealer. Okay guys, next thing I do is I take out my Hoola bronzer, and yes, it is still the mini. I still have not gotten the full size. I will get it one day. I hope. I just used the wrong brush. Oops. This video is off to a great start. And yeah, so I kind of just put on some bronzer. I'm losing my brain cells.
You can't lose what you never had.
I definitely feel like my makeup look has definitely changed over time, for sure. I usually don't wear this unless I like feel like wearing makeup though. Oh my god. I feel like I'm kind of enthusiastic today, but I just spent my whole entire day watching TV, so I kind of want to take a nap. But I usually never take naps, so I'm probably not going to take a nap because I cannot fall asleep during the day. It's just impossible for me for some reason. But yeah, okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing is we're going to be moving on to eyes. And actually, first thing we're taking out is this La Base Mascara by Chanel. My sister got me Chanel No. 5 perfume for my birthday, and it came with these like 3 other sample size items. 2 of them are perfumes and then 1 of them was this, and I absolutely love this stuff. You like put it on before you put on your mascara, and it just really makes your lashes like kind of, I guess, look good, like stay there kind of. I don't know, I really like it. I definitely want to get the full size product if it's not too expensive, but I probably will be because it's Chanel.
So I looked it up and it actually is only $30, which isn't as bad, you know, it's not great, but it's not that bad. But yeah, I just kind of ignored my wallet crying, just got it anyway. Also guys, I pause these at such great times. Like look at that, that is just pure hotness. Like we love it, oh my gosh.
Oh, I forgot to curl my lashes. Oops. Well, we're just gonna have to do it now, aren't we? I just put my own music in now. I don't even need to look up anything on YouTube and put it in. I just make it up myself. I'm like trying to speak while getting in the zone for putting these on, so it's not closing. Oh, that's stuck, that's why. Okay, I'm pulling out my Glossier Last Slick Mascara. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they look really nice and long, so I'm happy. The amount of weird faces I have made in this video is just really great. I'm tired. I swear I'm not filming this at night. I'm actually filming it. I swear I'm not filming this at night. Wait. Why is this not working? I am filming this at night, not during the morning. This used to be what I used for my eyebrows. I actually really like it because it has this like brush thingy here, but this is the NYX Fill and Fluff, and I like to take this side and I like to put it underneath my under eye, and I like to just do it like in the corner area. Usually I do this before mascara, but I didn't. I just can't think right now. Boom, like so. And And then again, usually I do this next thing before I do mascara, but you know, I just can't think properly today for some reason. Next thing I do is I take out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color White Blank, and I put this on my waterline. And I put this in the inner corner of my eye as well. Boom, done. That was dramatic. Okay, now that that is all done, this is my favorite product in the whole entire world. This is the Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the color Puff. I love this stuff. All you really do is just put on, you only need like the smallest bit. You just put it on your like cheeks, and then you just kind of like blend it out. You can use a brush, you could use your fingers, and it looks so cute and like nice, and you don't even feel it on your face. It's really great. I love it so much. So yeah. There's the tea, there's this. I like turning this light on to make sure that I don't look like an actual clown. Yes, it did. I love this camera because it automatically fixes the lighting, which is pretty incredible. No, I didn't turn it on again. Okay, it still's good. The camera's doing great. The next thing I use is the Glossier Holoscope highlighter. And this is in the color Moonstone. Now for this stuff, honestly, what I do is I just put it on my fingers and then I blend it in, because I honestly think that's like the best way to do it, to make it look like nice and like shiny and natural. But you can put it on with the stick. It's just I really don't like doing that as much. And then I just put some on the nose and then on the inner corner of my eye. And on the lips. I love the shine of it. It's really nice. I don't know if you, oh yeah, you guys can see it. It's really beautiful. I also have another highlighter that I use, but I usually use it for outgoing look. It's the Becca highlighter. Favorite highlighter ever. It's so nice. It's like in the color Prismatic Amethyst. It's gorgeous in the light. I love it. But yeah, okay, and then the last thing that we have to do is lips. Okay, I low-key realized the last 3 products are legit all from Glossier, but okay. Next, I am taking out my Glossier Balm Dotcom in the color Rose, and I love this stuff. It's basically like tinted chapstick in a way. It's super nice, and it like keeps your lips really hydrated. Oh, there's something on my finger, it's not coming up. Anyways, so I was saying I like this stuff because I had to put some on because it's just like basically like a chapstick. It's really nice. It has a little bit of color to it, but nothing too crazy, and it just feels really nice on your lips because I have an obsession of chapstick. So yeah, and then I finish it off with the 3-in-1 Hangover Replenishing Setting Spray. I like this stuff a lot. It's really nice. I feel like it kind of just like has like a nice touch to it, and it sets my face obviously. So this is the final result. Really nice, really easy, natural looking, everything like that. And so I'm gonna take you guys off into the end card. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located out right over here, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my last video, which will be playing at the end of this video, and it'll be linked right to it, so you can just click on that. It'll be great. I learned how to do that. I'm so proud of myself. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it'll also be the subscribe button down below, and it'll also be in that area at the end of the video. You know what I'm talking about. And yeah, I think that is all I have to say. So bye bye, beauty babes. Love you. Stay safe, happy, and healthy.